know this is futuristic, but when you think of that common currency, do you see a potential of tapping into kind of the evolution of digital finance to enable that equal mechanism around the world? And could it be applied?
I think so. I think very efficiently. I think that there's no reason not to harness the technological improvements of digital innovation and having digital platforms, cryptocurrencies. I'm not an expert on the ledger technology and how it works, but I'm aware that in the old days, I mean, even going from one country to another and trying to transfer funds, banks were able to take the float, and there were lots of inefficiencies. And it seems to me kind of irrational to talk about global trade and international finance and not have a monetary unit of account that transcends borders in a meaningful way to give price signals meaningfully cross-border. Yeah. And to have quicker settlement. I mean, as long as you can serve the consumer. My husband was a banker. And in private banking, what you want to do is provide financial services. So if you can give better service to people, then I would harness all that. What I think is interesting is that people who agree with that idea are also, like me, the most against having our central bank issue that digital currency. Yeah. And I will say, to some extent, the United States has allowed this development, this evolution of money to proceed, recognizing that there are gains to be made. But it also is very telling that since the whole impetus for, I think, alternative currencies is a desire to decentralize finance because you don't trust that government-issued fiat currency, for those same reasons, people, particularly in the United States, don't trust the Federal Reserve to be in a position to offer the digital currency, but under the auspices of a federal government agency. We don't want to be like China and have that be a means of doing more intense surveillance of people's activities and then punishing them through their monetary holdings. That, again, goes to the heart of it's your private property. Yeah. And you don't want government to have that kind of access.